Okay, welcome everybody. We are excited to have you here. So let's keep this space welcoming by treating each other respectfully and kindly, as this is under CNCF Code of Conduct. Please note that this call is recorded, and if you don't want to be in the recording, please turn off your camera or microphone. And please add your name under the who joined section below in the HackMD file, so we know you stopped by. So in this brief section, we will highlight some minor updates that we have, that we encountered in the past 2 weeks. And I guess we can start with the update regarding the extend syscall exit events with syscenter events parameters initiative. We have almost done with this initiative. For people that don't that missed the previous calls. Basically, the aim of this initiative is to extend the exit events with the parameters coming from the corresponding enter events. And we are moving forward with this initiative as we agreed in the proposal that Leonardo Grasso was indicating here. This proposal has been was let's say agreed upon some times ago, and we are basically reaching the end of this. For people who don't know what are the benefits of this initiative, basically we are trying to halve the number of events that we generate per second, so the throughput. And we are doing this by trying to drop the enter events. Of course, we know that we cannot do this lightly. So we are taking some time to do it gradually and moving the exit parameters where the enter parameters in the exit events. So then we can try to gradually disable the enter parameters and see what we can achieve. Of course, we made some measurements, and the preliminary measurements looks very promising. I don't want to share this data now because this data still needs to be validated. But the room for improvement is huge. And how we will proceed, basically after we finish with this first stage, then we will move to the talk to mitigation. So there are some events that implements talk to mitigation, and the plan for these events is to keep some enter programs, and these programs will collect all the needed parameters, and we hopefully want to push these parameters directly from the kernel enter programs to the exit programs, and in this way we can completely remove the handling code in user space. As I stated before, the keyword for this initiative is performance, so we want to improve the performance. We discovered some also besides these initiatives, for what concern other updates, we discover some minor issues regarding the configuration. There is an open discussion on our on the Falco Slack public channel. And so if you want, you can join that discussion in order to decide how to move forward with this configuration issue. Here Leonardo is linking the issue in the latest news section. And yeah, basically that's it from my side. So if you have any concern or Leonardo want to add something to what I already said, please.
You covered everything.
Okay. Yeah. Anyway, I know that we basically have done with this initiative, but as I stated, the amount of work that it's need to be done in order to finish with this with the work discussed in the proposal is still high. So if you want to join, you can read the proposal that I'm going to add the link to the proposal. And so if you want, you can start reading something, and if you want, you can feel free to open a PR to do some of the work required if you want the performance of Falco to increase. Okay, I finished with my with the news. So if you don't have any concern or anything that you want to highlight, I guess we can end our discussion here.
I just wanted to invite people that are new to this call to introduce themselves if they want, or ask everything if they want, of course.
Yeah. This is a good place to state any concern or any problem that people are facing.
This is my first time joining. Thanks for having me. My name's Phil. I'm a site reliability engineer at Let's Encrypt. I used to work at the Linux Foundation, so I'm well aware of the CNCF processes. So this is really cool to see. We are interested in running Falco and Falco Sidekick at work. And I have been making a few PRs for Falco Sidekick and its web UI, mostly to shore up some of the Redis configuration there for storing security events. I saw one of those PRs got merged recently, so that's really cool. And really, I just want to ask, when you guys get time, can you take a look at the other PRs I have open, please? And possibly cut new tags.
Oh, yeah. What's your nickname on GitHub?
PGPORADA.
ADA. Yeah. I saw. Yeah. Sure. Yes.
It's my backlog. Unfortunately,
awesome. Thank you.
We are a bit busy in these weeks, and also the original author of Falco Sidekick stepped down from his position as maintainer, but we are still maintaining the project. By the way, if you are willing to help with the project, feel free to talk with us, because we are very willing to receive contribution on that project.
Sure. One of the things that I have planned is to add TLS support for Falco Sidekick to communicate with its Redis, but I have a lack of understanding around how Falco Sidekick and its UI use Redis. If I have Falco Sidekick, do I set the web UI as an output and then the UI writes to Redis, or do I have Falco Sidekick and the UI both write to Redis and read from it?
The former.
Gotcha.
Former.
So
Okay.
it
Anyway,
passes through.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
There are more details involved that I can't recall by heart right now, but it's the former. If you want, we can discuss this on the Slack channel, maybe when we both have more time, if you want.
That sounds great. I'll do that.
Perfect. You're welcome.
Hey, I'm Ari.
Hey,
I've
hi.
been around Falco since the inception a long time ago. Took a little break, and now I'm back around here, I guess. I work at a big a company, and we use Falco for security telemetry and libs NSP, all that fun stuff. So I'm looking forward to contributing some PRs. I've got one that is more of a broad discussion. There's either a surgical quick fix to help a use case that we have, or a refactor of the outputs. But there's trade-offs in all directions. So I'm looking forward to having a discussion in the PR to figure out how we can best move forward on that.
Yeah, Ari, I know about your previous. We already quickly talked. It's in the to-do list for the next Falco release. We just need some times to review everything. But
Totally understand. We're
Yeah.
we're in no rush on our side either. I just want to make sure I'm not blocking.
no, for sure. And by the way, welcome to the community and also to this community call.
Thank you. We're also taking a look at some like the docs and the getting started and how to compile from scratch and seeing where we can help contribute to like what the supported tool chains are and dev containers, for instance, because that's been a little bit difficult for us to get onboarded. But once we have something that is good to contribute, I can put up a PR.
Perfect. This will be great. Of course, feel free to reach us. I mean, I talk on behalf of all the maintainers through Slack because sometimes it's easy with asynchronous communication to share the work or discuss. So at any time, feel free. I usually am available every day on Slack, the Kubernetes Slack that you already know.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. I guess that we can close as the discussions and the presentations, of course, ended. Yeah, as agreed, we can talk on Slack. So, okay, people, have a nice day. Bye bye,
See
folks.
you in 2
Bye bye.
weeks. Bye.
See you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Mauro.